Golflogix App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how technology has transformed golf in 2025. Golflogix App offers GPS mapping, score tracking and course management, but is it worth downloading? The surprising truth is precision. Most people get this wrong by guessing distances on the course. Golflogix provides accurate GPS yardages, shot tracking, and digital scorecards, helping golfers make informed decisions and improve their game. Another advantage is Course Insight. You won't believe what happens next when you see detailed hole layouts, hazards, and slope information. The app supports thousands of courses worldwide, making it useful for travel and local play alike. However, there are cons. Some advanced features require a premium subscription. Battery usage can be high when G-Base is active, and the app may not replace the tactile experience of traditional course strategies for some players. In conclusion, Golflogix app in 2025 is ideal for golfers seeking accurate G-Base data, score tracking, and course management tools. While premium fees and battery use are considerations, its precision and global course support make it a practical companion for improving performance on the course.